This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon in a pressure cooker. First, let's gather our ingredients and prepare the cooker. You'll need fresh or frozen salmon fillets, ideally around 6 ounces each. Next, add 1 cup of liquid, such as water or vegetable broth, to the bottom of your pressure cooker. Finally, season your salmon generously with salt, pepper, and any herbs you love like dill or parsley for a burst of flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully place your seasoned salmon fillets on a trivet inside the pressure cooker, keeping them elevated from the liquid. Make sure the lid is securely locked and the steam release valve is in the sealed position. For fresh salmon, cook on high pressure for just 2 to 3 minutes. If you're using frozen fillets, increase the cooking time slightly to 4 to 5 minutes for perfect results. Once the cooking time is complete, it's crucial to perform a quick pressure release immediately. This stops the cooking process and prevents overcooking. Carefully open the lid, always directing the steam away from your face to avoid burns. To confirm doneness, check the salmon's internal temperature. It should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The fish should also flake easily with a fork, indicating it's perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy. Your perfectly cooked pressure cooker salmon is now ready to be served. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice truly brightens the flavor. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh dill, parsley, or chives. This salmon pairs wonderfully with steamed green beans, asparagus, or a side of fluffy quinoa for a balanced meal. Any leftovers are fantastic cold in salads or even as a quick, healthy snack later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.